Hey, creators! Ever wonder how some videos just look so polished, with those seamless cinematic effects, super smooth transitions, and no annoying watermarks? What if I told you that you could achieve that professional look for your own videos, completely for free? Well, stick around, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to get CapCut Pro at absolutely no cost. And yes, this method is 100% working, safe, and legit. The special link is waiting for you in the description. For those who might not know, CapCut is an incredibly powerful yet user-friendly video editor. It's a game changer for creating content on the go. You can easily cut clips, merge different shots, and even do some pretty impressive color grading with just a few taps. Plus, it has a massive library of text animations, trending effects, filters, and soundtracks that you can simply drag and drop into your timeline. It's designed to make video editing intuitive and fun, even for complete beginners. I use it all the time for quick edits, and it's a lifesaver. But here's where it gets really exciting. While the free version of CapCut is already amazing, CapCut Pro takes your creative power to a whole new level. It's like unlocking the secret boss level of video editing. With Pro, you gain access to a treasure trove of premium features. We're talking about exclusive high-end transitions that make your cuts look buttery smooth, advanced color filters that give your footage the perfect cinematic mood, and a whole library of exclusive sound effects and music that aren't available to free users. And maybe the best part for many of us, you can export your final video in the highest quality possible with 0 watermarks. Your content looks clean, professional, and truly yours. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. How do you get all of this for free? It's simpler than you think. I've placed a special, official link directly in the description of this video. Let me be clear. This isn't some sketchy hack, a cracked version, or a fake up. This is a legitimate opportunity from the official source to unlock CapCut Pro. Whether you're creating long-form content for YouTube, catchy, or stunning Instagram reels, having these pro tools will make your editing process faster, more enjoyable, and the final product so much more professional. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Go ahead and click that link in the description right now to unlock your free access to CapCut Pro and start creating the amazing videos you've always envisioned. It's time to level up your edits and let your creativity shine. Hit that link, get your free access, and start editing like a pro today. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Happy editing.